Hey, I'm Dr. Joe Blaylock, dentist and owner here at Lakeside Dental. What inspired me to really pursue cosmetic dentistry like veneers? Um, I don't think there's anything else that can change someone's self esteem and appearance like changing their smile. Think about when you go into the bathroom, what's the first thing you're going to do? Like, most people's like looking at their teeth, right? Like, is there anything in my teeth? How's my smile? When I'm able to take someone like who maybe wasn't super confident about their smile, their appearance, and do a smile rehabilitation or a smile makeover, it's life changing. When we have patients that do pursue veneer treatment, or when you get veneers, how do you maintain those? It's a great question. I tell patients, they say, like, how long is this going to last? That's tough to say. It's like going to the car dealership and like we could buy a vehicle at the same time, and like one's gonna crash or one's gonna break down before the other. It depends on the user. So this is really important. So listen up. Um, Veneers are made for smiling. They're not like tools. So be careful opening like ketchup packets, like boxes. Sometimes you like get angry with a bag and want to rip it open. Don't do that. Like these are smiling teeth. To maintain the color long term, anything that's dark, like that's gonna stain your tongue, it's also gonna stain those veneers. So if you have some coffee, like I love my coffee, like I drink coffee all the time. But when you get done with the coffee, go into the restroom and like brush your teeth, rinse it out with some water. Are there any foods or drinks that I would recommend avoiding with veneers? I hate to tell someone what to do because like I like to live life and enjoy things also. But if it's gonna crunch, like when you bite down, it's like crunch. You hear it. It's not good for the veneers. Try to avoid things that have the potential to break or cause damage to something. When it comes to beverages, anything that's gonna stain your tongue is probably gonna stain those veneers too. Things that come to mind right now: coffee, wine, and tea. Those are the big ones. It can discolor those veneers over time. So if you're going to enjoy, a nice cup of coffee, just go to the restroom when you get done and brush your teeth. It'll really help maintain the life of those veneers long term. How often should patients come in to have their veneers checked on or cleaned? I recommend for healthy patients coming at least twice a year to have them professionally inspected by me and our hygienist to make sure there's no cavities that are forming underneath them, that there's no debonding of the cement, and also to be able to answer questions and just catch up with our wonderful patients. What's something that patients don't realize about how veneers might impact the rest of their oral health? Well, when patients need veneers, when you come to me looking for a smile rehabilitation, it's usually because there's been damage to the tooth itself. So by restoring the tooth to a really nice aesthetic and then functional result, it helps that tooth stay healthier. You can clean it better. It looks better. And from my experience, when you're confident about something and you've invested in it and it looks good, you want to take care of it more. So kind of like, if you have an older car, then you go get a newer car. It's like you just want to keep that newer car much cleaner. Really the same thing I see with our veneers. What do we do at Lakeside Dental to help ensure our patients who have veneers have long-term success? A couple things. Number one, we're really educating our patients, just kind of like we have been here, on how do we protect these? What are some things that we need to avoid? What are some things that we need to do? Number two is I warranty our work, right? If we put a veneer on and it pops off or breaks, because this is life, like these things can happen, I take care of that for our patients. And then number three, sometimes we put our patients in like a protective mouth guard. That way, if they're playing sports or if they're grinding their teeth at night, it keeps them from knocking and grinding those off. For someone who is considering veneers or like a smile rehabilitation, there's a couple ways that you can connect with our team. Number one, the easiest way, send us a text message. It's so easy. You can text us any time of day. During our office hours, we'll text you back. It's actually a real human. It's not a computer texting you. And then the second way is just an old school phone call. Pick up the phone and give us a call. We would love to hear from you. Love to talk to you. There's a lot of great information about veneers and cosmetic treatment on our website as well. We look forward to seeing you soon.